Did you know that there are around 264 billion paper cups thrown away each year, the vast majority of which are not recycled and cannot biodegrade due to having a plastic liner? We thought, why not make a mug that is super convenient like a wallet, but then has cool features like double-walled insulation? And so, Hug was born. First, we started with a form factor that easily fits into most pockets and bags, but also has a large enough capacity for most day-to-day use. Then, unlike other collapsible mugs or paper cups, the outer shell is sturdy, with a lid that makes it super secure, so no more lid mishaps. Due to this structure, there is no need for an additional sleeve to assemble or lose, and the full length of the body can be used to hold naturally. For the mouthpiece, we distilled the movement to just pressing down and away to open, and simply pushing in to lock. When it's collapsed, the hard outer shell means no compressing and accidental spillage, remaining completely drip-free. To ensure it is super simple for day-to-day use, both the lid and the platinum-cured inner silicone are antimicrobial, making it perfect for cleaning on the go. Hug has a bespoke multi-level locking mechanism that offers up to 9 different height options, meaning that it fits anywhere and you can choose how big it is. By having the inner silicone offset from the outer shell with a sonically welded air gap in the lid, it is double-wall insulated, keeping your drinks hot for up to 4 times longer than other collapsible mugs. Beyond just creating a great product, we felt it was important to commit to a number of complementary environmental causes. And so for each product made, we will offset 10 times the amount of CO2 used for production and shipment, prevent 10 times the amount of plastic used from reaching the oceans, and plant a tree. Basically all-round climate positivity. We're excited to get this game-changing product into production and into your hands. Please back the campaign to join us on the journey.